At a time when Hunter businesses are shedding staff, one company is opening the door to 250 employees. Australia's largest bus manufacturer, Volgren Australia, will establish its third factory at Tomago, drawing on local knowledge during the construction phase and beyond.
And there can be no better time to be building industrial buildings, no better time to be employing people than at the present economic time.
Volgren was awarded the $112 million contract in December to build 150 articulated vehicles or bendy buses for state transit. The chassis for the fleet will be imported from Europe, with the body to be designed, engineered and built at Tomago. Work will begin at a temporary site at Islington next week, with production to get underway here at Tomago in October.
We've got 22 local tradespeople already employed. 16 of those are currently undertaking training in Melbourne at our head office there, and we've just got 7 more people that have come on board today.
That number is expected to reach 250 when production is in full swing. The first instalment of 50 buses should be ready for action on Sydney roads by June next year. Colleen West, NBN News.